Hello, in front of me I've got OUKITEL C33. In this video I'll show you how to access File Manager. In the beginning, let's go to App Drawer and now search for Files app. Enter it, and thanks to Files app, you've got access to your internal storage, downloads, images, videos, audio, documents and others, apps, collections, and then you can use nearby share function to quickly send and receive files. Also, you can clean junk files thanks to the clean function. If you go to menu, you've got access to recycled bin. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.